Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and in the wintertime, I need slippers almost as much as I need coffee because I hate having cold feet. But lately, my feet are always warm and cozy thanks to these EverFoams slippers. These are not only comfy, but they're super cute too. I love the pretty pink suede and the fluffy cuffed opening. What I found unique about these slippers as opposed to other slippers I've had is that they're not only cushioned on the soles of the slippers, but they're also cushioned around the tops of my feet. My feet feel completely surrounded with this super soft and cushy faux shearling. It feels like my feet are being hugged by fluffy kittens all day. And let me tell you, as a cat lover and a warm foot lover, that is a good thing. I also like that these slippers have a firmer, more solid sole on the bottom. They're like this kind of rubbery material. And I really like this because it makes my feet feel more supported as I'm walking around the house. These slippers have been essential for me to get through winter with cozy, toasty feet. And that's my point of view.